Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, guys, we are going to trade the Europe session open, the DAX index. All right. We are going to go through from A to Z, analyzing the chart, getting prepared for the Europe session. Okay, finding the key levels and taking the trade, right, with a single contract, right? So stay tuned. 40 minutes left about until the Europe session open. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so as we said, we are going to analyze the DAX index. Okay, we're gonna find the key levels and we are going to take a trade when market opens, right? So what you're gonna do, you want to open up on your broker the Germany 40 is the DAX index, and we are going to get prepared for the Europe session. Right, first thing first, we're gonna go to the weekly chart and we're gonna start to mark our key levels on the weekly chart. So the price right now is at 18,270.69. right? So the weekly low, this week's low, as you can see, is 18,162, right? So we are going to mark the weekly low and the weekly high. The weekly high is 329, right? So as you can see, the previous week close, we're gonna mark that one as well, is 175. So 162 and 172 is going to be our key level. Now we can mark the week before open price. So that's going to be the 239, right there. Okay, so that's all we are interested on the weekly chart, since we know that DAX moves now, lately moves 150 points, but usually 250, around 250 points a day. So we want to find key levels in this range. Okay, so then we go down to the daily. So what do we see here? For now, the daily candle, as we open up the chart, is a bearish candle. So what I'm interested is the daily open price, which is 307. All right, and the daily low, right? So the low is 265, right there. Okay, so I made the video before. When you open up the chart and you check the daily candle, if it's bearish and pumps back up and breaches the open up price, okay, it could be a potential long opportunity, as it shows buying pressure, right? So we know now that above 310 it's a long opportunity, right? However, if loses 265 is a daily low, all right, it's a short opportunity, right? Okay, so now we can mark the previous day close right there. Previous day close, as you can see, is 303. So 303, right? The previous day open, which is 218, right there, and we can mark the day before open right there. All right, on the upside we can mark this area. Okay, now I like to go down to the hourly chart and little bit double check my key levels. As you can see on the hourly, we can mark this high, right, and this low. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the 5-minute chart where we are going to take our trade. Okay, and we're gonna give 10 points for our key areas. So 265, 255, 265. It's our key area. Right up here we have a 305. We're gonna move this to 315. Right, another key level. Right here, this high is 330 and 340. Okay, we have a 365 and 375. Okay, and down here we have 215 with 225. Right, then we can mark this low right here is 87, which is, you can consider it 85 with 95. Alright guys, so these are the key levels for today, but we want to go back to the daily chart and to mark the most important one, right? So we are not interested in every key level, we're gonna choose the most important ones and we are trying to take trades around these areas. Okay, so as we said, today's high, it breaks out, we are looking to take a long. Today's low, it breaks, we are looking to take a short. The yesterday's open price and the day before closed price, right? And I'm interested about this low, the yesterday's low, right? And up here I'm interested about this. Right, so that's the key levels, guys. Today we are looking to take trades around. I'm going to share it right now on the Telegram channel and we're gonna wait until the market open and we are going to take a trade, okay, with a single contract. So if you have a small account, this video is for you and I'm going to get back to you as soon as market opens, right? Right guys, so 10 minutes left until the Europe session open. I just shared the key level with Telegram channel with the guys. Okay, hopefully it's going to help someone out. These are the key levels I am watching today and I'm trying to take some trades around these areas. Okay, so as you can see here, I said breakout and hold 305, 315 is a long opportunity. Bounce and hold 255, 265 is a support right now. It's a long opportunity. However, if loses 250 area, it's going to be a short opportunity. Okay, so again, if bounces and hold 215, 225 is our support. It's a long opportunity. So if we lose the 215, 225, the next support is 160, 170 area, right? Of course, on the upside, the resistance is the rejection of 365, 375 is a short opportunity. And in case breaks out, the next resistance is 420, 430, right? So Good luck everyone, and see you on the other side. I'm going to get back to you as soon as market opens, so we're gonna take together a trade, right? A single contract, right? I'm going to prepare my position. One contract, 30 point stop loss, and we are ready to go. Alright guys, market just opened in this minute. Okay, price seems to dip for now. It is at our key level. Let's see if we can take any trade. If wants to bounce from this area. Right, I'm going to go with a short position, guys. Remember, we have a 30 point stop loss, and this is our daily low pre-market. Let's see if we can take further dip. Right, there is $12. We are going to set our stop loss to 270, guys, for now. 270, actually 265. Right, so our risk is $13. We are up $16, guys, on this trade. It keeps dipping nicely. We're gonna try to hold this. Remember, the daily candle is bearish. Okay. The hourly is bearish. The 4 hours is bearish. Okay, so we're gonna try to hold this trade. And we're gonna check at this key level. Of course, we must take profit. Okay, we must lock profit. So we don't want to lose our wins. But as you can see, there is a nice fall right now. There is no danger. The only danger is to turn back to retest this area and to fall back down for now, and if breaks out, there's a long opportunity. But as you can see, it's a selling pressure right there. We're gonna try to squeeze to take as much as possible from this trade. Okay, you always have to expect a pullback, so you shouldn't get scared. As I told you, the real danger is about this area, as the daily will turn green, right, and bulls might step in heavy to push the price higher, right? Until this area, our short position is safe. Yes, of course, you can take this 16, whatever, $20 and just wait for the next opportunity. But we are going to hold this trade to see. We are going to ride it. Right, guys, there is the pullback, and now we are expecting a continuation to the downside. Okay, so falls, pulls back, and further fall. Right, so you always have to think in a trend. Okay, in case pushes back to this area and breaks out, that's a sign you should get out from your trade if you miss to take your profit. and to look for another opportunity, maybe for a long position, because as we said, daily turns green at this area, wicks out, and there is a long opportunity, buying pressure, right? But as you can see, it nicely rejects, okay, nicely wants to fall further, okay, that's a sign that you can hold further. And let's see how much we can squeeze out from this trade with a single contract. We are looking for 40-50 points this time, guys, okay. Right, guys, it's just bounced our next key level, right? This could be a long opportunity. However, higher time frames to me is too bearish. I don't believe we should jump in too long, right? So we are going to hold our short. So that's very important to decide when to enter long, when short. If its higher time frame is bearish, I believe it's better to short the break of support and the rejection of resistances. If higher time frame is bullish, okay, then we are looking for a bounce of support and the breakout of resistances for a long opportunities, right? Of course, it can still bounce from here and continue to the upside, but you have to take the risk. You have to follow what you believe, what your rules are. For now, to me, this one is just a fall, a pullback, a fall and pullback, and expecting to continue to the downside. Let's see. Right, guys, we're gonna set our stop loss to break even right now. So we have zero risk from now on, and we are looking for another dip to take our profit, right? So before 200 we want to be out, okay. So I'm going to get back to you as soon as we are ready to close our trade. So our stop loss right now is at 251, right here above this pullback, right? There is another bounce from our key level, which is not a good sign for us. We missed to take the profit, right? So if you are a beginner, I suggest you to take profit as soon as hits the key level, right? We are going to hold this for now with zero risk and in a hope that it's going to fall further, right? But if you are a beginner, I suggest you, as soon as you get in, reaches the next key level, take your profit and wait for another opportunity, either for the break of this key level or the breakout of the next key level, right? Alright, guys, we are getting ready to close our trade soon. We are up $26, right? One more dip and we're gonna get out, as new hourly candle is about to open in 10 minutes. So you wanna be out, you don't wanna get caught in the pullback. Right, there it goes. Right, guys, we're gonna close our trade right here with 35 points, okay, because soon the new hourly candle opens and I'm expecting a pullback to the upside, okay. So yes, $35 seems not too much with a single contract, but imagine if you are with 5 contracts, okay, it's $150. It's pretty nice for a single trade, okay, just at market open, right? So as you can see, surely the pullback is there just as we expected. So we got out right here, and as I told you, it's a high chance when the hourly candle opens that is going to pull back to the upside, right? So that for now is a long opportunity if can hold this level, right? Right, so that's all for today, guys. That's how I trade every day, right? If you are a beginner, I suggest you to take profit as soon as it hits the next key level, right? And just keep repeating, wait for the next opportunity, right? So guys, yes, $35 is might seem little, but remember, you can make this one with a $500 account, okay? And of course, if you have with the 5 contract, okay, that's $150. It's very good for a single trade. Okay, guys, hope you learned something new, because sometimes all you need is just little switch, okay, just little information to totally change your trading and your performance. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.